Learn English and Indonesian. Animal sounds. Suara binatang. A cow says, moo, moo. Sapi bersuara, oh. A duck says, quack, 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 quack. Bebek bersuara, quack, quack, quack. A dog says, woof, woof. Anjing bersuara, whoop, whoop. A dog barks. Anjing menggonggong. A sheep says, bah, or ah. Kambing bersuara, bah. A donkey says, hee-haw. Keledai bersuara, ee-awk. A pig says, oink, oink. Babi bersuara, oink, oink. A pig snorts. Babi ngorok. Mouse says, squeak, 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 squeak. Tikus bersuara, cit, 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 cit. A frog says, ribbit, ribbit. Kodok bersuara, krok, krok. Snakes make a hiss noise. Shh, shh. Ular berdesis. Shh, shh. A cat says, meow, meow. Kucing bersuara, meow, meow. A kitten says, meow, meow. Anak kucing bersuara, meow, meow. Lions make the noise roar. Roar, roar. Singa mengaum. Rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo. Ayam jago bersuara kukuruyuk. Kukuruyuk. Girl chickens say, "Pok, pok, 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 pok." Ayam betina bersuara, kok, 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 tok, tok. An owl makes a noise like hoot. Hoo, hoo. Burung hantu bersuara, hoo, hoo. The horses make a noise, neigh. Kuda meringkik. The horses make a noise, neigh. Kuda meringkik.